So today I am doing some pasta, and you don't know, your girl have to give you a rundown of the ingredients that I am going to use. So yeah man, that's my chicken breast, fettuccine, my parmesan cheese, my heavy cream. I'm using some mushroom. Don't know, we can't leave out our seasoning like the onion and the garlic. And I'm also using some parsley to garnish after I am finished. Anything else that I use, guys, I will just let you know throughout the video. So let's kick things off. Let's get rolling. So guys, you can dice up your chicken breast. I'm supposed to do them much smaller than this, but this is how I want them. So do it to your likings. Yeah, I eat that chicken breast salt out and cut up. So we're gonna dash on some seasoning on them right now. And look at black pepper. And season both sides. Dashing on a little chips of salt. You don't know, we're gonna massage that in. Yeah, we don't need any more season. This is okay, good to go right now. So our pot is hot, guys, so I'm putting in some oil. 2 tablespoons of oil. Yeah, we're going to toss in our chicken now. We're gonna fry it up until it is golden brown. So we're gonna fry up the chicken until it is golden brown. All of that goodness and nicely. Wow. So guys, we are cutting up our garlic. So water is bubbling, so dashing in some salt, and I'm gonna go right ahead with my So you want your chicken breast to nicely fry it up like this, guys. See how that is golden brown. You want it to have that nice golden brown color. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove these now. So I'm putting in a spoon of butter, guys. I'm not going to rinse out my pot or anything. I want all of that niceness, goodness, all of that flavor to stay in the pot. are going to dash in our onions now. Now we need to saute up those. And we need it to, that's our garlic. We need it to brown up, you know. Nicely saute up and thing. Release all of that flavor. Then we're gonna dash our mushroom in. So yeah guys, that's right there now. Eat that in a pasta. So after our onion has nicely brown up, look at that guys. You see how that is brown and nice? Yeah. Dash in our mushroom. I want this to nicely golden brown up as well. See our mushroom is nicely golden brown, get the color and all of that, and you know the season release up all of that goodness, niceness in it. So we're going to go some bones and put in our heavy cream. Yeah. Milk. We're gonna want to leave this to simmer. You know, you can continue stirring to get that consistency. Yeah, so I'm gonna put a piece of garlic. I'm dashing in some Parmesan cheese, guys. Yeah, all of that niceness, goodness. Yup. So we're gonna leave this to simmer for 30 minutes. Yeah, we want that nice, thick, lovely. So we are getting our parsley pepper. So you see that consistency, guys. So we're going to tip a little, then dash a little salt, a little pinch of salt. Then we are going to put our chicken in. This is so nice. Wow. So we just garnish, guys, using our parsley. See that creamy? Zoom in like this, see how creamy this is. Wow. This is ready to eat. Whoa. Ready to eat now.